Hey everyone, if your Word file is corrupted in 2026, like it won't open, shows errors, or the document looks broken, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Word file corruption and recover your document step by step. First, open Microsoft Word and use the Open and Repair option. This is the built-in tool that can fix many corrupted files automatically. Next, check AutoRecover files. I mean, Word often saves backup copies when something goes wrong unexpectedly. Now try restoring previous versions. If your file is saved in OneDrive, you can go back to an earlier working version easily. After that, open Word in safe mode. I mean, this disables add-ins that might be causing file corruption issues. Next, if the file still won't open, try copying the content into a new document. Sometimes you can recover at least part of the text this way. Now check OneDrive version history. I mean, cloud storage often keeps multiple backups of your document automatically. If nothing works, use file recovery tools. These tools can sometimes restore damaged or deleted Word files. Finally, save the recovered file as a new document. I mean, never overwrite the original corrupted file. So, yeah, that's how you fix Word file corruption and recover documents in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you can recover most files successfully. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Microsoft Word tutorials for fast fixes. Hey everyone!